members of faculty, trustees, distinguished guests, affectionate students, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamu alaikum and good evening. My name is Khalid Rashid and I belong to Peshawar, Pakistan, and presently settled in Rawalpindi. It's a matter of great honor for me to be part of Silvanians even from across the border. It's a great day for our Silvanians all over the world that today the biography of its founder, Pandit Girdhari Lal Salwan, is being launched. He was a great man and a visionary, and I salute him. Imagine in 30s he realized that Peshawar was lagging behind in education as compared to rest of India, and laid down foundations of Silwan schools. And I feel proud to be one of the oldest students of that school. I joined Silwan School Peshawar in 1946. Young at that time, as such I know little about that period, but I still remember that the building was a brand new building and there were spacious grounds all around it where we used to play a lot. I remember my friends Ajay and Ram Gopal and Saiduddin because they used to live next to our house and we all used to go to school together. I remember one teacher, Abdul Qudus, a Pathan, whose face I will not even forget today after a lapse of so many years, because one day he gave me a good beating for not putting on proper uniform. 1948 was the last time that I visited Silwan School, Peshawar. Ladies and gentlemen, wheels of time moved on and on. I got commissioned in Pakistan Army in 1962. During service, I was never posted to Peshawar. That was very unfortunate, but there it was. And there was a disconnect between my native city and me for a very, very long time. And time passed by and I retired as brigadier a few years back, and last year I went to Peshawar. So I decided to explore my native city. I went to the area where the house was located. Surprisingly, the house was there, but in a terrible bad shape. So then I decided to locate my school. I knew the general area, and when I went there I found there were huge buildings that had come up, there were shops, and the area was too congested. So almost disappointed, I was about to return when I asked an old man, an old shopkeeper, Babaji, there used to be a school here, Silwan School. The man was initially a bit surprised, and then he said, yes sir, the school is there and it is running. Then he gave me directions, and in no time I was there in front of the school. The school fascia that I had in mind was in front of me. I became so emotional at that time that tears came. In my eyes. Then I stayed there for some time, took a photograph with my cell phone, and could not enter the school premises because it was closed at that time. It was evening time. And then I came back to Pindi, and there through internet I found your website, and I was so pleased to know that there are 11 schools today in Delhi and around in his name. I can give you the good news that after 65 years, the school that Mr. Girdhari Lal Salwan had built in Peshawar is still there, and it is intact, and his mission that education to all is continuing. My message to young Salvanian is to work hard, not only in school, but for the rest of your lives, because there is no shortcut to success. My only wish is that a day comes in my life that I travel in my own car from Rawalpindi to Delhi and visit my old alma mater. My special regards to Mr. Kabir Bedi and Mr. Kuldeep Nair, because these two gentlemen are very much known in Pakistan. Mr. Bedi because of his films and his hands-up demeanor, and Mr. Kuldeep Nair Saab for his writing. And otherwise too, he is from Sialkot and he is our Sialkoti brother. O sada Sialkoti prae. Towards the end, I want to thank you very much for affording me this opportunity to talk to you through this video. Thank you and Khuda Hafiz.